Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be how to apply for a state ID as an international student in the United States of America. So let's get right into this video. So to start off, I will suggest that you get a social security number beforehand. However, if you're not able to get a social security number, there is some documentation you are going to have to go through and to get before your state ID in order for you to be able to apply for your state ID. So for those of you who do not have a social security number already, I do have a video that I'm going to link in the description box on how to apply for a social security number. But yeah, let's get right into the video. So step number one is to gather some documentation, and you're going to need to provide proof of identity. And for us international students, we're going to have our passports. So provide your passport or your birth certificate, but just for things to be a bit smoother, just provide your passport. And you're going to have to show proof of address in the United States. So this can be like a lease agreement or like a utility bill. And what I did is I brought in my like a piece of the social security card that had my address on it. So it's not my social security card, but it comes like a booklet. So the social security card, when it came to me, it came like a booklet, and the one part of the booklet was the social security card. The other part was like it had my address on it. So I brought that in as well. So if you have your social security beforehand, it makes that whole proof of address a bit easier. But yeah, you can prove with other things. And I also proved it with like a shipment from Amazon. Step number 2 is to find the nearest Department of Motor Vehicles, which I will be calling a DMV from now on. So you have to find the nearest DMV to you. And yeah, the way you can find this is you can just literally Google nearest DMV to me. I know a DMV is called different things in different states, but Department of Motor Vehicle is mainly the place where you would get your state ID or like your driver's license. So just type on Google nearest DMV to me, or you can literally just go on the DMV website, and on there you can locate your nearest DMV by putting in your zip code, and then it pops up. Number 3 is you're going to make an appointment at your nearest DMV. So many DMVs do require you to make an appointment prior, and the way to make appointments, you can make an appointment online, or you can call up the DMV and make it via a call. Number 4 is to fill out an application. So you can fill out an application at the DMV. What I did is, since the application is available online, I did fill it up when I was at home, and then I just brought in the filled out paperwork. It does kind of save you time as well. So yeah, that is what I did. Okay, so for the application, you may be required to put down your social security number, or if you're not eligible for a social security number, you may be required to put in like a letter of ineligibility for a social security number. So that is, that's the paperwork I was talking about earlier on. Okay, so number 5, you are going to pay a fee, and the fee differs from state to state. So when you are looking for the DMV closest to you, when you're on the website, also look up how much it is going to cost you for your state. Okay, this is for all the people who love being picture ready and knowing in advance if you're going to take pictures. So step number 6 is you are going to take a picture at the DMV. So there's no need for you to get pictures beforehand and to bring them, unless on the website for your state it says you have to bring pictures. But on my website it did say that you just have to come through, and then you're going to take a picture when you're there. So if you're one of those people who like to get like a light makeup on, just for your picture, just know that you are going to take pictures at the DMV. Step number 7 is going to be you're going to have to wait for your state ID. And for me, I didn't have to wait for it to be shipped to me. I literally just waited there and I got it in person the same day, but some people do have to wait for several days, and during those several days they are given like a temporary one that they can use in the meantime. But yeah, so you're going to have to wait for your state ID. For some people it is instant, for some people it can take several days for them to receive it in the mail. So step number 8, this is not really a step, but this is something you have to know. You have to keep your state ID up to date, and this can mean that if you move, you have to update that information on the website. Fun fact, I actually just updated my information on the website, so I am waiting for my new state ID to come through in the mail, because I did move after I applied for my state ID. And another thing to keep in mind is state IDs do expire, so you have to renew it before it expires. So if it does expire, you will have to go through that whole process again. But beforehand, you can just renew it, as I did. Well, mine hadn't expired, but I did update my information online, and then it's now going to be shipped to me. Okay, so one last thing to keep in mind is that it differs from state to state. So look up your DMV, read up about what your state requires for you, so then you're always on top of things and you're not slacking. And I really do advocate for, how do I say this? I really do like people who put things into their own hands. How do I say this without sounding a bit don't be that type of person who's always like, this person said this, this person said that. Go out, do your own research, go out and experience things for yourself. Because if you're always like, Blessed said this, John said that, Leandra said this, like, and you don't have your own story, you're always going to be behind. It is better for you to experience these things and use these types of videos just as a blueprint somewhat, but then turn that blueprint into your print by doing your own research, experiencing the things. So these videos are just tools for you to use, but then your experiences, your knowledge is what then builds whatever it is you're trying to build for you. Okay, so I hope that this video was very helpful. Please let me know down in the comments what your processes were like, or what your state requires. For me, I am in Pennsylvania, so that is like the processes I went through were like for PA. So just let me know what might be different in your state. Okay guys, so this is a video for today. I hope it was helpful. Please share this video with those who might need it, and let me know down in the description what other videos you'd like. And also check out my description. I have some videos that I've made about the different documentations you're gonna need as an international student in the United States. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell your friend to tell their friend to come and watch this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.